Stuifsel, Casey. These are the new places for the pigeons to sit on. The other ones were too big. They felt from it. This one are better for them to sit on. We made them from old wood. You've seen the way we did that. They're almost ready. Going to the loft for the pigeons to sit on. So yeah, you can use them on both sides, also with this one. Painting them all in white, so it looks very clean. These are the new seats with little pieces to the walls, so they can't argue with each other. These are the new sitting places. Here he is standing in the loft, and there we have hanged it on the loft, in the loft. So they are very small, the places there which they sit, and with the little pieces of wood so that they can't see each other too much. And they can't sit on the top of it. So as you can see,